everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecilia Holsworth, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can reduce or get rid of hyperpigmentation, how you can glow, how you can make natural body wash, how you can incorporate carrot, lemon, and some other essential oil to make a home natural body wash that can make your body glow, not to tone your body, I mean to bleach your body, but to make your body bright, as in to exfoliate and to reduce wrinkles and give you that glowing skin. And also I'll be making carrot oil for body, and I'll also be making carrot oil with some other oil for hair that we can use to get rid of dandruff, to make our hair grow, and to make our hair glow also. So to make this body wash, I will not be using any bar soap. I intentionally want to use liquid soap, which I already pre-made to reduce the stress of my work. So what I'll be using today, I'm using this 2 bottles of Nivea. I have coconut body wash here with jojoba oil. I have just ordinary Nivea with almond oil. And I have honey, which I'll be adding to my ingredients to make this body wash. And I have carrot. This carrot, I'm going to cut. I'm going to wash, cut, and I'm going to blend. I'm going to use the juice from those carrots to make this body wash. And I actually have some lemon here. I'll be using the lemon zest, and I will also be using the lemon juice, adding it to this. And another beautiful thing that I'll be adding some of this oil just to preserve it. So I'm still making my body wash. I have the carrots cut already, and I'll be adding 1 cup of water to blend this, and I'll get the juice which I'll be using to make my body wash. That's the next step now. Just adding 1 cup of water to blend this, to blend the carrot. So now I have the lemon zest. See? The back of the lemon. See? And this should be enough for me to make my body wash. So I have the lemon zest. Yeah. So I'm going to sieve my carrots, blended carrot, and use the juice. What I'm doing now. Sieve the carrots and use the juice to make the body wash. I'm still trying to make body wash. I'm using the juice to make the body wash. Okay. Carrot juice only. Okay. So I have the juice now, the carrot juice. You can stop the video. Okay, so I'm still making my carrot body wash, which can be good. We can be used to exfoliate your body, get rid of dark spots, brighten your skin, and also look good, glow. So here is the carrot juice that I got from cutting and blending my carrots, and I put it in this pot of boiling water. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be adding the lemon zest into this. I'm adding the lemon zest into this. And another thing I'll be doing is to add all the ingredients. So I'll add the lemon zest into that. So now I have the lemon zest in this carrot juice. So I actually wanted to add all my ingredients, liquid ingredients, before adding the soap. So here I'm adding honey. I'm just going to add like 1 or 2 tablespoons of the honey. You see, the honey is 100% honey. So I'm adding like 1 or 2 tablespoons. And I'm making carrot body wash. I think that's enough. I added the honey already. I want to do this on slow heat. So carrot juice, lemon zest, honey inside here, and also, so I'll go ahead and add my ready-made Nivea body wash. And like I said, you can use a bar soap and just grate. But to make the work easier, I'm using this Nivea body wash. So I'm adding this. I'm adding the Nivea body wash. See? I'm adding it into my carrot juice, which has other ingredients. And I'm using 2 bottles of this. Okay. That's the first bottle. This soap is good for young, adults, old. If you want to get rid of dark spots, you want to brighten your skin naturally without using any chemical, please try to make this for your family. I will be adding the second body wash into, adding the second body wash.
Oh my, here.
And my cameraman is helping me. I have my Debbie and my Mercy here. I have my cameraman. They are helping me real good here. Okay, let's see now. And like I said, you can use bar soap, grated bar soap, and melt it first. But to make the work easy, I decided to use ready-made Nivea body wash. I've been using this for a while now. It's very good. I'm using the Nivea body wash. I think I can get rid of that out of there. Okay. You see my mixture. Please focus on the soap, not on any other thing. So now I want to add, I'm going to add lemon. I'm adding lemon juice into this. Lemon juice into this. Okay, that's 1. I want to add like 2. You see, lemon juice into this. All these are natural ingredients which we can use to make a soap. So we're gonna stir.
It smells yummy.
I'm gonna stir I'm making carrot body wash. Yeah. See? And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add vitamin E oil because I want this to preserve this body wash. Vitamin E oil, just a little, not too much. And I'm also going to add lavender. Lavender can help you brighten your skin. Lavender oil. All this oil are not really, is optional, but the vitamin E is very important to preserve.
Very slow.
To preserve the. Okay. I'm going to add sweet orange oil. Sweet orange oil. And I'm also adding the vitamin C serum. There you see. So I'm going to add 2 drops. And lastly, I want to add a little bit of witch hazel. Adding a little bit of this. I would say just add a little. Yeah, like 1 tablespoon. So here is my soap. Start making my carrot soap, homemade carrot soap, DIY, to make your body glow naturally. And I'll just keep stirring for a while. Just keep stirring this for a while. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing for the next 30 minutes. So, my carrot body wash is done, and I use different ingredients. I boil this for almost 20 minutes on low heat. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sieve this and let it sit for 24 hours, and it's ready. And this carrot body wash is very, very good for young, old, adults. If you want to glow your skin naturally, if you want to brighten your skin naturally without using chemicals, if you want to get rid of dark spots, if you want to even skin tone your skin, and this can be used by people with light skin or dark skin. It's safe for children also to use. And this is the outcome. I'll just let this sit for 24 hours, and after that I'll just add it, and it's good to be used. So here is the carrot body wash that I made. It's good, it's natural. Please try this at home, and don't forget to share this wonderful video with your loved ones so that together we can glow our skin, we can look beautiful, and also have a very subtle skin. Thank you so much for watching. It's still your girl, Cecilia Holsworth. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Alright, so here's the outcome of the carrot body wash I made. I let this sit for 24 hours, and now here is the outcome. Can you focus on the soap, please? You see, and I use Dove. Oh, sorry, I use Nivea body wash. I added different types of ingredients into this to make this body wash. And if you want your skin to brighten naturally without bleaching, you want to even tone all the dark spots, this is a very good soap for you. And you can also share with your families. It's good for young, old, adults. You can use it. Here's the final outcome after 24 hours. You see how creamy it is here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bottle it, and I will share the, I think I need to share it more. I'm just going to bottle it, and I will share the final picture in the container. And like I said, this is safe for children. If you want your children's skin to glow naturally, please make this for them. There is no harsh chemical. I made everything from scratch using natural ingredients that can brighten your skin naturally. It's good for light skin, it's good for dark skin. The skin will glow naturally. Alright, I'm just gonna bottle this and I'll show you the final outcome. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to give it thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your family and loved ones. This is Carrot Body Wash. My YouTube channel is Cecilia Holsworth, and I do upload educative video. So please like it. I love you all. Bye for now.